if you look closely, we notice that her eyes are showing no reflection from the orb. So let's quickly just select the zoom tool and draw a selection around one of her eyes. And what I'll do is just go into quick mask and use the brush, and I'll just mask her eyes real quick here. Just like that. Then I'll move over to the other eye and just create something like this. I'll grab the eraser and just shape those eyes a little bit. Something like this. Yeah. And then I'll zoom out. And I'm going to stay pretty close while I do this, but I'm going to go back to standard mode. And then I'll go up here to select inverse. And then I'll click on her layer, the girl layer there. I'll hold down Alt, which is Option on the Mac. And let's just go ahead and create another hue and saturation layer. And all I'm going to do here is just colorize these eyes. And we're going to sort of do something like this. We're going to move the green here so it has just a little bit more yellow. And you can brighten that up or turn up the saturation. I think I might increase the lightness though, because I love that creamy type of look. And you'll get that by increasing the brightness. Cool. And you can see this was before, and now this is after. And let's see how that looks. I'll click OK and zoom out. See, that's just a huge difference right there.